Alright guys, well on today's adventure it takes us to another iron furnace. This is Boiling Springs iron furnace. I did one on Codorus Furnace, so we're going to check this one out. So walking up to it, and a little gate here blocked off. The other one didn't have that. Just peek inside and see what it looks like. Looks like they got steps from the inside. There's another opening. This is just cool texture and stuff, how they have these built and that they're still around. That's cool. How it spirals like that. It's not steps. I don't know why I was thinking steps, but it's the center of it. It just goes out. It's a big tourist attraction, I guess, here. The other one's kind of just sits back in. Take a walk and see what's down here. The lake, or the stream right here that I'm coming to, is the same water that came from the lake that we showed you. And that was in our other video. Oh, that's cool. Nice little like V-shaped little waterfall thing. It's really nice and cool back in here. Alright, go back up and see what we can find. It's a little walking path. I actually think that this is part of the Appalachian Trail. There's another waterfall, little one down there, another V shape, looks like. That's cool. Look at those people down here, places to go. I'm just gonna walk down and see what's down here. Yep, so we'll head back now. Nothing much down there. There's just those people down there. So we will head back. But that is the Boiling Springs iron furnace. Something that I kind of just stumbled upon. So this is a short video today, but hope you guys enjoyed this one, and come see what our next adventure is.